Okay guys, so I'm going to try this theory out. I'm going to fire up the Mini, fire up the controller. It's fully charged again. Okay, so I did cut this. I got 4 wires, red, white, black, and green. I'm going to plug this in. Got an adapter here to make it USB-C. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, so we're connected, right? 4 dots. That's lit up. We're going to plug it in. Okay. So definitely that's hooked up. I've got video, right? So what this is saying right now is, let's see what my battery, I'm at full strength for my screen. I'm at 60% and it says it's charging right now on the phone. So this is definitely charging that that phone, and my screen brightness is 100%. So let's go back to here, right? And as you can see, it's definitely got the connection. See? Right? So we're going to try this theory out of cutting the positive wire, the black wire, and see if it all hooks up still. Okay, so I have cut the black wire. See that? Cut the black wire. And we're going to fire everything up to see what happens. And nothing's happening. That's on. The Mini's on. DJI Fly app is on, but no connection because I cut the power wire. From my understanding, with Android devices, it needs at least minimum of 500 milliamps as a power source. What happens if I touch that together? Nope, that definitely is not working. So that definitely doesn't work. Cutting the black wire. Pretty disappointing. Yep, doesn't work. But if I use a different cable, which has all the cables plugged into it still, and I'm even using a converter from micro USB to USB-C. plug that in. Boom. And it's charging. Now let's use this cable again. Cutting the power, the black, that goes away. Change this. That's with the black cable. No go. Okay, so forget about that, I guess. Thanks for watching.